everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am doing our entryway Christmas tree decoration. This year, I'm doing a blush pink color scheme. This is the section that we want to decorate with some trees. Here are the two trees in my foyer. One's a 6-foot tree and the other one's a little 4-foot tree. Okay, so I have two of these paper mache reindeers that I got. I got these last year at Pier 1 and I never did anything with them. So I was thinking of kind of doctoring them up a little bit. So I have this fur blanket. It's actually just a fur square. And I cut one strip off. I'll say it's about maybe 4 inches wide. And what I'm gonna do is on the larger reindeer, I'm gonna give it a little fur shawl. I have these pretty brooches, which I've used for some of my other projects. And I'm going to pin. So I have a pack of these silver poinsettias, which you get them like this, and what you're gonna do is open them up and curl them and create a pretty little flower. And literally bend it right at the tip at the end. What I want to do next is I want to cut just the tip of it, the length of it. So what this is going to go actually in the fur. And what we're going to do is actually hot glue the first leaf to the fur. So I'm going to take my hot glue. Tuck this in. Okay, so next I have these balls that I got from Walmart. I believe it's Walmart. So I'm going to take one of these balls, and these actually, it's awesome because they have a ribbon. The baby. What I decided was to put a little ribbon on her. It's really hard to put anything on the fur directly. So basically I broke this flower apart. I'm literally gluing on top of each other. Alright guys, so I now put a fur tree skirt on the bottom, the two beautiful reindeers. Now I've added these cone trees. They're like silver and pearl crystal trees that I got from the at-home store. The vase and the flowers are from Z Gallery, but look how beautiful that is. All right, next we're gonna decorate just the tall tree. I'm gonna leave the little one undecorated. It also isn't lit, so I just thought it looks nicer, more natural without it being decorated. I'm not gonna put too much on the tree, so I do have these 2 containers of blush pink and white and silver, and even some rose gold ornaments that I got from Michael's. And then I also have some poinsettia picks and some gold fern picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these fern sticks and bend them a little bit to the curve of the branches and tuck them into various spots of the tree. The last thing I'm going to do is take these blush pink poinsettia picks and open them up the same way I did with the silver ones on the reindeer. And then you want to place them into the trees where there are holes or gaps that you want to fill.
much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.